Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a folder in a Google Doc. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Doc. I'm sorry. In here, if you wanna make the folder on Google Docs, you can. This is the first step. You can open your Google Drive. And after this, in here you can click on the plus icon at the bottom. Then in here you just click on the new folder, new Google Doc. In here you just click on the new folder. Then in here you can change the name, maybe a task. Okay, and then click on the create. Click on it. And this the folder has been saved, and now you can open your Google Docs. Okay, and then in here, maybe if you wanna move this doc to the folder, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the three dots icon, this one, and then in here you can swipe down until you can see move, and then click on it. Then in here you can click on the task, and then now you can click on the move at the bottom. Okay, and finish. So that's how to create a folder in a Google Docs. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.